There's someone on my team who makes code changes in Notepad. And this honestly surprises me. He doesn't use IDE, there's no AI, and no agents. And I think he understands the code better than me in some ways. I've been talking about AI orchestration a lot, and seeing this really makes me think harder. My teammate comes from the business side. He reads and changes the code for our POC banner system. However, he would have us work on the modern development workflow, pushing the changes to a GitLab project and deploying the changes. I'm actually not sure about how much he knows about Git and using GitLab to deploy and the development workflow. But what I do know is that he makes and looks at the code and changes it himself. The difference between how he works and how I work is that he reads the code and understands it and changes it himself. Whereas I ask AI to go through the code and explain it to me, and once I understand it, I make AI to implement the changes for me. I know some background, high level, and how the code base come together, but to make bug fixes or to implement completely new features, changing UI, once I understand the requirements and what needed to be done, I delegate all this work to AI, and I will have AI to write unit tests and to fix it and or to make sure that it is running the way that I want it to run. The honest part in this is that I would spend significantly more time if I were to look at all the code and understand it myself. Whereas if I look at AI's code summary, I can start implementing or make changes or begin shipping faster. The interesting part here is where AI falls short. I would ask AI to troubleshoot pipelines, CI and CD pipelines, but I've always run into issues. Whereas if I ask someone else on a team who has set up the pipelines and understood and have done the procedure many times, they will know exactly what to do and what to look for so that they can finish and accomplish the task. And this is where AI just keeps on going, but really being confidently wrong, but doesn't provide exactly what we need, but it seems like it is. So where exactly do I land? I think my teammate has one piece, one half, that he reads and understands the code and implements them. I have the other half, which is leveraging AI and understanding the modern development workflow. Neither of us is a complete engineer. We both rely on the other half to complete the full picture. I still believe that the key is knowing what is needed and why. But knowing it myself and understanding myself will be a good judgment for me to prove that I have this other half. I'm not switching to another method, but I will want to be more comfortable and learn to read the code before I pass it to AI. When AI reads the codes and explain it to you, do you actually understand it or you understand its summary? I don't have the full picture and I'm still figuring it out myself. Subscribe if you want the honest version.